Python lists. Python lists are ordered, mutable collections that can hold elements of any data type. Lists are defined by placing elements inside square brackets, separated by commas. Basic operations on lists. Creating a list. My_list equals 1, 2, 3, apple, true. Accessing elements. Elements are accessed by their index, starting at 0. First equals my_list 0 number 1. Last equals my_list -1 hashtag true, negative indices count from the end. Modifying elements. Since lists are mutable, you can change their contents. My_list 3 equals orange hashtag list becomes 1, 2, 3, orange, true. Slicing lists. You can extract portions of a list using slicing. Sublist equals my_list 1:3 hashtag 2.